The 2025 Nissan Armada is making a bold statement with its turbocharged power. Redesigned and redefined, this SUV is not just about muscle, it's about luxury too. With a switch from the old V8 to a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine, it delivers 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It's powerful, efficient, and can tow up to 8,500 pounds. The styling reflects its global patrol DNA, offering a bolder stance and sleeker lines. Inside, there's room for 7 or 8 passengers with various trims to choose from, like the value-packed SL, rugged Pro 4X, or the luxurious Platinum Reserve. With top-notch tech, safety features, and off-road capabilities, the Armada is ready for any adventure, and even the luxury spotlight. Would you consider this the most underrated luxury SUV of 2025? It's bold, it's brawny, and now it's turbocharged. The 2025 Nissan Armada isn't just redesigned, it's redefined. From muscle to luxury, this full-size SUV is gunning for the throne. Let's take a ride through power, tech, and premium comfort like never before. Nissan pulled no punches with the 2025 refresh. Gone is the old-school V8. In comes a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 with more power and more torque. 425 horsepower, 516 pound-feet. It's smoother, faster, and more efficient, and it still tows up to 8,500 pounds. Outside, the new Armada carries that global patrol DNA with a bolder stance and sleeker lines. Inside, you've got 3 rows of elevated comfort, room for 7 or 8 passengers, and a revamped cargo space setup. Pick your vibe. The smart and value-packed SL, the rugged Pro 4X, made for off-road adventures, or the luxurious Platinum Reserve, with quilted leather and upscale finishes that rival Infiniti's QX80. This SUV doesn't just haul, it entertains. 2 standard 12.3-inch displays stretch across the dash, including a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system. Upper trims bring in a 14.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, plus a Clip's 12-speaker audio system for immersive sound. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, standard across the board. Whether you're cruising the highway or hitting the trail, the 2025 Armada delivers. The Turbo V6 is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but if you want confidence in any terrain, Four-wheel drive is available and standard on the Pro 4X. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time around 6 seconds, quick for a beast this size. Nissan even threw in an optional air suspension and locking rear differential to elevate your off-road game. You might not expect efficiency from a full-size SUV, but the new Armada is more refined than before. Fuel estimates: 16 mpg city, 20 highway with RWD, slightly lower with all WD. But the towing capacity, still a rock-solid 8,500 pounds. Nissan Safety Shield 360 comes standard, with blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and auto emergency braking. Need more peace of mind? Step up to ProPilot Assist 2.1 for semi-autonomous highway driving. The 2025 Nissan Armada is everything a full-size SUV should be. Powerful, plush, and tech-packed. It's ready for adventure, ready for the family, and now ready for the luxury spotlight. Is this the most underrated luxury SUV of 2025? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic auto content.